My favorite thing about working at the Freshwater Trust is working with a group of very hardworking, passionate, intelligent people who work together with the common goal of fixing rivers.
We care about fixing rivers because they're the thing that ties us all together. The species in the rivers, the people that live in towns, and everyone who's ever eaten something that grew from the ground. That's why we all really need to focus on fixing rivers faster on a timeline that actually matters.
Over my 15-year tenure at the Freshwater Trust, we've grown from a small group of committed conservationists to a leader in applied restoration.
One of the best things about the Freshwater Trust is our ability to maximize the impact of every dollar spent on river restoration.
We are putting water in side channels and literally seeing juvenile salmon and steelhead swim in them the following day.
The set of tools and methodologies that the Freshwater Trust has put together allows us to increase the pace and scale with which we evaluate and restore rivers.
What gets me really excited is when some of the science team comes to me with these pictures of the restoration sites that they've been working on. You can just tell that the world around the river has really improved. The way that we use data and technology-driven solutions is something that's really unique.
We can translate that work into other parts of the country and work with even more partners in a wider context.
There's so many reasons why rivers need to be a priority for everyone, and your support is going to be what springboards us into the future.